Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Mohammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have also cracked TS Law Set 2023 with rank 1. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs related to GK that is very important from the point of view of TG Law Set and AP Law Set 2025. Before proceeding ahead, I want to tell you one thing that if you are visiting first time on this YouTube channel, you can visit all those video that is uploaded on this YouTube channel. It will be helpful for your preparation, and it will be definitely helpful for your preparation, and it will definitely help in your examination. For your convenience, I have separated all these materials into three part, that is legal aptitude, GK and current affairs, that is available in playlist. So you can visit playlist and watch all those video that is available in playlist. So without wasting our time, let's discuss these questions. So the first question is, in the context of once again. So so the first question is, in the context of Indian history, the principle of diarchy refers to. Its right answer is division of subjects delegated to the provinces into two categories. So the right answer is D. Question number two. The Rolt Act aimed at. Its right answer is imprisonment without trial and summary procedures for trial. So the right answer is B. Question number 3. Which one of the following states of India does not have a legislative council so far, even though the Constitution 7th Amendment Act 1956 provides for it? Its right answer is Madhya Pradesh. So the right answer is D. Question number 4. The authorization for the withdrawal of funds from the Consolidated Fund of India must come from. Its right answer is Parliament of India. So the right answer is B. Question number 5. Which of the following gives global gender gap index ranking to the countries of the world? Its right answer is World Economic Forum. So the right answer is A. Question number 6. Which one of the following was given classical language status recently? Its right answer is A. Udiya. So the right answer is A. Question number 7. What is the number of spokes in the Dharma Chakra in the national flag of India? Its right answer is 24. So the right answer is D. Question number 8. Who said man is a social animal? Its right answer is Aristotle. So the right answer is A. Question number 9. What is a Bitcoin? Its right answer is digital currency. So the right answer is A. Question number 10. National Good Governance Day is observed on the birthday of. Its right answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So the right answer is C. Question number 11. The study of meaning and origin of words is called as. Its right answer is etymology. So the right answer is D. Question number 12. Which of the following is not included within the meaning of intellectual property? Its right answer is property of intellectuals. So the right answer is D. Question number 13. Who was known as Kavi Brahma in classical Telugu literature? Its right answer is Tikenna. So the right answer is B. Question number 14. In terms of history, AD stands for. Its right answer is Anno Domini. So the right answer is B. Question number 15. The first Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Dash in the year 1901. Its right answer is J.H. Dunant. So the right answer is B. Question number 16. Which is the largest river in the world? Its right answer is Nile River. So the right answer is A. Question number 17. Who had been appointed as the first Lokpal of India? Its right answer is Justice P.C. Ghosh. So the right answer is B. Question number 18. The International Labour Organization was established in. Its right answer is 1919. So the right answer is A. Question number 19. The headquarters of International Monetary Fund is at. Its right answer is Washington DC. So the right answer is C. Question number 20. A man is jumping out of moving train due to inertia is thrown. Its right answer is forward. So the right answer is B. Question number 21. What is the name of the instrument used for measuring blood pressure? Its right answer is sphygmomanometer. So the right answer is B. Question number 22. Who invented the television? Its right answer is J.L. Baird. So the right answer is C. Question number 23. Diopter is the unit of power of. Its right answer is lenses. So the right answer is D. Question number 24. Diamonds are weighed in. Its right answer is carats. So the right answer is C. Question number 25. Deficiency of iron causes. Its right answer is anemia. So the right answer is B. Question number 26. Binomial nomenclature was introduced by. Its right answer is Carlos Linnaeus. So right answer is B. Question number 27. When is National Unity Day celebrated in India? Its right answer is 31st October. So the right answer is D. Question number 28. Amnesty International is an organization associated with which of the following fields? Its right answer is protection of human rights. So the right answer is A. Question number 29. Which of the following is an input device in a computer? Its right answer is scanner. So the right answer is C. Question number 30. In a web page, FAQ stands for. Its right answer is frequently asked questions. So the right answer is D. Question number 31. Who was the first Indian ruler who had territory outside India? Its right answer is Kanishka. So the right answer is A. Question number 32. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of partition of India? Its right answer is J.B. Kripalani. So the right answer is B. Question number 33. In 1930, from which place Mahatma Gandhi started the civil disobedience movement? Its right answer is Sabarmati. So the right answer is A. Question number 34. Rabindranath Tagore surrendered his title knighthood because of. Its right answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So the right answer is A. Question number 35. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Its right answer is Aravalli. So the right answer is C. Question number 36. Yarlung Jangbo River in India is known as. Its right answer is the Brahmaputra. So the right answer is B. Question number 37. The Nobel Prize was first awarded in. Its right answer is 1901. So the right answer is A. Question number 38. The office of the United Nations General Assembly is in. Its right answer is New York. So the right answer is B. Question number 39. The chairmanship oblique presidency of the United Nations Security Council rotates among the council members once in. Its right answer is every month. So the right answer is D. Question number 40. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is famous in which of the following fields? Its right answer is agriculture. So the right answer is B. Question number 41. Which state in India is famous for Kathakali dance? Its right answer is Kerala. So the right answer is B. Question number 42. The liquid portion of blood is called. Its right answer is plasma. So the right answer is D. Question number 43. BRIC is an acronym referring to the countries of. Its right answer is Brazil, Russia, India, and China. So the right answer is C. They can also ask the question like this: BRICS. BRICS referring to the countries of. So in BRICS, all these countries like Brazil, China, India, and China. Brazil, Russia, India, and China will include in BRICS and plus South Africa. So TZ Losset can also ask question like this. So you have to remember only South Africa. for BRICS, and for BRIC, all these countries: Brazil, Russia, India, and China. And for BRICS, you have to remember South Africa. So for question number 43, that's it. Question number 44: which among the following is the direct tax in India? Its right answer is corporation tax. So the right answer is B. So friends, it all was for today. We will meet in next video that could be either legal aptitude or GK. If you are visiting first time, you can visit all those videos that is uploaded on this YouTube channel that is related to GK, legal aptitude, and current affairs. It will be helpful for your preparation, and it will be helpful for your preparation, and it will definitely help in your examination. So we will meet in next video. Till thank you very much. Thank you very much.